So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to leave feedback for a seller on eBay. So first of all, you'll need to log into your ebay.com account. After that, you can see daily deals, help and contact, your sell watch list, and my eBay. So on here you can see some bids, offers, purchase history. You can go to buy again, selling, and so on. So you just need to go to the person that you bought something from. So it's going to pop up on here. You will find your orders. You can also go to some bids and offers that you have, and you can go to that person's store, and you can see view sellers other items. You can see more actions. You can contact them, so you can talk to them directly to leave feedback. And you can also go back and find something that you've already bought and then leave your feedback on there. So let's just open someone's store and leave feedback for them. So you can see here, buy it now, add to cart, add to watch list. You can see some other information underneath, and you can see the seller feedback, and it's going to pop up for you as well. And you can contact them and tell them directly, and you can even leave feedback on here. So you can see the positive feedback which are there. So you can even leave it so people can see your review, your feedback, and your impressions of this seller. But that's only when you've already created or made a purchase from that seller through there. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on eBay or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.